Hey everybody, it's Maddie here. Welcome to Maddie's Tutorials. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a vertical project in Final Cut Pro so you can edit your shorts, your reels, your TikToks, and all of the short form content. So just like usual, I'm going to click on new project right here. And then as you can see, if you go down to video, you have your format. And all you need to do is just click on the button right here. And then if you go down, you'll have the vertical option right here. And this is what's going to create a vertical project. Just select that. Go ahead and name your project. And that's how you make your vertical project. Just press OK. And now as you can see, your project is in vertical form. And I can go ahead and select some clips, drag it onto my timeline, and it's in the right format, just like that. Now, one thing that I wish Final Cut Pro would add is an option to change your project settings like after you've made it, but you can't. I found no way to do that. So if you accidentally made a project that is horizontal, you'll have to make a separate project to make it vertical. But there you go, there you have it. That's how you create a project that's for your TikToks, shorts, reels, all that good stuff. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, comment what video you're working on, and subscribe for even more tutorials. See you later.